Okay, so today's objective, we have learning objective, okay? Do you know you all have a video lesson to watch or not, huh? Okay, how sure I don't know whether you watch or not, but for the rest, number one, there is a video lesson. Where can you find? This video lesson is on the portal, is in the system. You can log in, okay, to the homework page and then watch the video lesson. You are encouraged to watch all video lesson before every time you attempt the question. Okay, so we call this tutorial worksheet. The tutorial worksheet is 32 for this week, huh? Okay. So you always look for the current week one. Don't go and look for last 2-3 weeks and then start to say, I do, but then you do the wrong thing. Okay. So the worksheet is important. Look at the right number, right date. Then your timetable to attend class is also there. Make sure you attend the correct timing one. So your P4 is only what I'm having here is this timing 1 p.m. Is it now what time? Yeah, about this timing one. Okay. Then after this worksheet, you also log in and do right. You key into the system, key in your answer. Okay, and this system will capture all your answers and they will mark by itself. Meaning to say you get instant response law, how much you score for that. Can you understand? Okay. All right, Mitten, are you with me? Good, thank you. Wow, that's nice. 3 thumbs up. Very good. Okay, our learning objective today is about area, perimeter, that is finding composite figures. You know what are composite figures? Actually, composite figures are figures that is made up of more than one shape, 2 or more shapes. Okay, for your standard, you will be having a square, rectangle, no triangle, okay? Only rectangle and square. All right. So before later we start, I want to go through something like just a knowledge, okay? But it will be good for you to know because when you come to P4, P5, P6, every year you will sure have to learn this. We call it the perfect square. I will touch on it quickly and then you have to memorize it because later I test you. Okay. So composite figures are figures that is made up of 2 or more shapes. And we are going to learn how to find their area and the perimeter. Understand? Okay. Now, who have seen this question before? Who? Give me the hands up. One only. One. Two. Okay, two. 3. Thank you. Very good. Okay, 3, 4. Those who put up their hand means they got do homework because it's in the portal but what you're saying? Hey, this one I do already. Why you want to go through? Now, our lesson here first thing is I want to ensure that everybody gets the correct answer and know what go wrong. Even if you are correct, now bear with me. I believe you will learn more because later on when it's a revision to you and when we do extra question, you will apply all your knowledge here and understand. And on top of that, I will always find time to do one game called the Kahoot game. You all got handphone devices and other devices? Have. Wow, all very happy when I talk about Kahoot, only all the eyes so big one. You all know what's Kahoot or not? Who don't know how is Kahoot? Kahoot. You all play Kahoot before in school? Nah, Ivan say never. Ivan, today you got device or not?姐姐 have or not? Go ask 姐姐 for help lah. Nobody at home eh?
I'm not in my cousin's house today.
Then you also cannot play Kahoot today. Okay, lor, then I will go through the manual one. Okay. All right, come. So we do this, then extra question. We depends on how much time we left with, okay? So I also don't want to spend too much time talking. Okay, let's take a look at this question 1. Find the perimeter of the figure. You see, when you look at here, you will find that puzzle. Why you say perimeter, but the shape so odd. Okay, and then they don't have all the dimension. Who say don't have? Have. They have. How are they shown here? Take a look. What do you call this dimension here? 41. Am I right? So this is the length of the rectangle. Am I right to say that now? That there's another 41 cm here, Let me show you where. Here, here plus, here plus, here Are they still 41 cm? They are, right? So here's also 41 cm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write here a 41 cm. A lot of them will say, sure, they don't have this, they don't have that. Then how to find? Have. Look at it clearly. Is this 41 cm? Yes, Lord, the yellow ones. Right. Now, then you say, I'm going to put it in another color. Look here, look here. Don't say don't have, huh? But you have here at this straight line here. You see this straight line? What is this straight line here? 36. Sorry, I should draw here. 36 here plus another short, the green line here and the green line here. This one will also add up to be the same. How much? 36. Where I get the 36? Where? It's the same as 36 here. If I were to do it in green, watch. Can I say this is 36 also? Here plus here is 36. So the green side is 36. The other green side also 36. So what's so difficult? Nothing is difficult. Okay, unless you say, I don't know, I don't want to try. Understand? So I have the two yellow line, which is 41 and 41 cm. And my yellow line is 41, 41. Green line will be 36, 36. Okay, so you add both up. You cannot use calculator. I can. You cannot. Okay, so in order to go through this correction, I can use. All right. Okay, then 154 cm here. Okay, for those who got it wrong, if you have your printout, do your correction. So far, so good or not? Okay, the rest of them? Any question? Anyone still writing? Okay. All right. Question number 2. Does it look the same here? Similar, not same. You see, it is made up of a what? A square, a rectangle. What do we call this? Just now we learned the word. What do we call this figure? Anyone can tell me? Composite figure. It is made up of 2 shapes. And he wants now to find the what? Find the area. Very good. Then you will say, hey, area means, I know. This one, this is the one that is called the what? The shape. I can find this shape, Can. You can find this. Correct, no problem for that. Okay, so you see, then you will say that, later you get stuck here. Okay, let me show you this, okay? What is the shape of this thing called? Rectangle, Is it rectangle?
Square.
How you know it's a square? How you know? How you know? Because the question says so. Do you read the question? The question told you that this is a square. Then you look at here. What do you see here?
A rectangle.
Yes, a rectangle. Very obvious one, Okay, so
Yes.
this is the rectangle. I put them into separate shape just to identify them. Okay, yeah, this one I cannot do it beforehand because I want to show you the one that is original. Okay, so this one is the yellow shape of rectangle. The other one is the green shape of the square.
Okay.
Okay. So in order to find, can I say this is the area of square? Because you know this is square.
Yes.
Very good. 4 sides are? 4 sides
7
are?
times 7.
Very good. 7 multiplied by 7, that give you 49.
49.
9.
I
Okay.
guess.
No guess. It's a fact and mass. Oh, this rectangle. Oh, I got missing thing. Cannot find. What is my missing thing here? My
7.
length. How you know it's 7? Is this 7?
No,
Oh,
it's 8 plus 7.
8 plus. I will purposely write wrong thing. I want to see who is not. So this one will go down to 15. Who is not listening? That means don't know what go wrong also, Okay. All right. So then I have, what is my area? But this now area is my rectangle. Come on your mic and tell me how can I find this?
5 times 15.
How many? How many? So what's your answer?
75.
Good, thank you for that. So I have both. What can I do now? 49, I must plus my 75. Do you get 124? Yes. Understand? For those who didn't do it correctly, please do your own correction. And you must take your you must take your ownership of learning. Let me tell you. Okay, doesn't mean that I'm not checking your work. All right. Then you can just anyhow do. Please, no one is watching you. Learn to be independent. Okay. Take ownership in your own learning. Next question. Who is still writing and cannot finish it? Anyone? Hands up. Am I too fast? Just to check. No. Minton say no. Anyone think I'm too fast? Okay, Kai say no. Let's see. Jera, are you there? You are so quiet there, I think. Jera must respond Huh? If not, I don't know whether you're following me closely or not. Okay. How about who is that? Okay. Ivan, what happened to your computer? Ivan, are you okay?
What?
You get kicked out 2 times, 3 times already, Are you connected already?
Yeah.
Secure already, Okay. All right. Question number 3. The figure below is made up of rectangle, BCDE, square, NAXW, another square, V something something. The length of NA is equal to the length of BC. Oh, and then the length of this is 5 times of EU. Where's EU? EU. EU is here. And then EU is here. So which one is 5 times? NW. Where's NW? Here. So this is 5 times. Oh, so that means you must have these 2 dimensions. Okay. Then how? Let's check lor. He wants you to find the length of what? A, B. Where's AB? Let's put it in red color. AB. That is what they're asking for. Important one must put them highlighted. Okay, so how to do? In the first place, we must give them their dimension. All right, the first thing we can start with is how to find NA, how to find WN. How to find NA, class? Anyone? NA.
I know. So you see,
NA.
5
See,
cm
I see.
at 5 cm at BC. If
Ah,
at the
ah.
center to right, NA equals to
Yeah.
BC. BC is 5 cm. That means 5 cm, and it's a square. So WN is a 5 cm. So and it says 5 times. So 5 divided by 1. 5 divided by 5 equals to 1.
So fast.
Which is equals to UE.
Okay, very good. UE already found. Correct, Okay, so first thing first, we go to find things that is easily being identified, which is BC is equals to NA, and this is 5 cm. And then you know what happened here is this is called a what?
A square.
And 4 sides must be what?
Similar.
4 sides. Not similar. 4 sides are equal. You cannot use the word similar. They are definitely equal. Okay. So this is 5 cm. 5
so
cm.
18 minus 5.
18 minus 5. Is that all?
No. 18 minus
I have a missing. I have a missing thing called EU. How to find my EU?
So
then I put my working here.
5 times. So that means 5 need to divide by 5 equals 1. And it's a square.
Yeah, and it is a square. Very good. This is also a square. It's just that this is a smaller square. And also
1.
equal side here. So this is 1. So meaning to say your VU is also 1 cm. So now